Hey guys, it's THEBEAUTYBENZ and I'm back with my U-part wig installation video. I'm gonna show you guys how I install and style this U-part wig. So the first thing I did was section off my leave out. So I had leave out the top of my head, which was in the shape of a V, and I had leave out on both sides of my edges. After I finish sectioning off my leave out, I'm going to start on my perimeter braid. This is going to be the smallest braid on my head, being that it's going to be the braid that I'm sewing my U-part wig onto. So I'm starting my perimeter braid at my leave out, and I'm taking it all the way around to the back of my head. With the hair remaining, I'm going to do a beehive. Being that my wig was pretty big and the hair was also big, my pattern in the back did not matter. So I did a giant beehive of like 3 braids pretty much. If the hair you have is really straight or really flat and you want it to lay down, you can use the same method of doing a beehive, but instead do the braids a whole lot smaller than what I did. Now that I've finished my braiding pattern, I'm going to sew the wig down. Typically when I sew down my wigs, I start at the top. So I'll start at the top and take it all the way around to the back, all the way to the other side. When I got to this point, I was having issues because the wig was feeling a little tight. So I stopped stitching and went ahead and tied my knot, and I went back to the top and decided to sew back down. Plus my arms are kind of hurting and my neck hurts, so So now that I have the wig on, I'm going to style my hair. So I'm just blow drying my hair, sectioning it off, adding cheese silk infusion, and flat ironing it. I know it's crazy that I'm straightening curly hair, but the reason I did this is because the results match my own hair texture very, very, very well, and it looks like my natural hair. So guys, this is the final result. I will have a flat iron tutorial up soon on my real hair, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below if you have any questions or concerns, or if you have any future video suggestions for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!